I'm gonna lay out some foil. I'm using the one that's like pretty big. Yeah, this is 18 inches. You could use the smaller one if you wanted to. Now I've got some popcorn. I'm gonna scoop some popcorn out like this, okay? Put it in the center of your foil. Okay, and then I have some butter. We're gonna use some butter here. Let me open it up. I'm gonna add, let's see, about 3 tablespoons of butter to the center. And then I have some salt. Put a little salt right on top of the butter. Don't let it get onto the popcorn. Now I'm gonna go over to my stove and we're gonna heat this up on medium to low. If you have a pan like that, you could use that as well, but we're gonna use this one right here. Okay, so we're back over here. Now while that's heating up, so I'm gonna fold the top here and this one. Leave these open. Then you're gonna twist it here and we're gonna fold this over till they crease here. And then we're gonna crease that. Fold this one over, fold it one more time. Then we're gonna fold the other side over. See how I'm doing that? And fold it one more time, okay? Then I'm gonna take this and that's gonna give it a nice seal. So now we have a nice envelope. Now take your knife, poke a small hole at the top. See, just a little hole. Now let's go over to the stove and then just put it on the stove and let it pop. We're starting to pop a little bit. Now what you can do is just kind of shake it a little bit. That's gonna get that butter melted down in it because we're gonna make some good popcorn. I'm telling you, you are never gonna make popcorn the same. You know, this would also be really good, like if you're camping by the campfire, this method would work really good. I actually turned up my heat to about medium right now. Okay, and then we're gonna take our knife again, cut that open, make like an X to cut it open. It is gonna be hot, so handle with care. All right, here we go. Woo, that is hot. Look at that. Whoa, that looks so good. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit of this movie butter popcorn seasoning on top. Oh, it smells delicious. And not only that, the cleanup is gonna be easy. All right, let's taste it. Mmm, crunchy, buttery, and so delicious. Click on this recipe right here.